Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. This is Kristie. Before you start watching the video, I just wanted to give you to note a couple of things. This video is actually chronologically out of order. No, my hair did not grow a couple of inches since the last time I filmed a few days ago. But tomorrow is the Girl of the Year release event that we're going to, and I'll be filming there and putting together a video. And then a couple days after that is the AgTube New Year's tag inspired by Alley Cat Loves AG. So I'll be uploading that. And I haven't uploaded all the wonderful things I got for Christmas from my wife that are doll related. So there's that too. There's just a lot going on over the next few days. And I figured I'll just upload this now rather than middle or end of January. All right, enjoy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kristie with AG Takes Over. Today's video will probably be relatively short. It's just unboxing one doll. So today's video is all about the boys for a change. We have Logan and 3 of the original Truly Me boy dolls, so 75, 6, and 7. The black one, the Asian one, and the racially ambiguous one. We never bought the white boy, and when he retired, we were like, oh well. No offense if you have him, everybody has their own taste. I just didn't really like his hair. For me, it was mainly about the hair. Anyway, so they came out with the new Truly Me line. Everybody has lots of feelings about it. I have my own feelings about it, but I like the new boy dolls. I don't like losing some of the ones that we lost, but I like the new boy dolls. So, recently, I don't know when this is going to air, but as of now, it's recently, the Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday sale from Amazon had several of the new Truly Me dolls for $80. So my wife and I went, yeah, which one are we getting? And we decided to go with 104 because we had already said that we wanted him. So I present to you, ta-da! He's so cute. So here's our 104. And as usual, I've kind of pre-unboxed him, but here's the book. I'm going to be doing a separate video just about this book because I've mentioned before that I really, really like it, and some of you haven't gotten to see it, so. Okay. Get his neck stuff off. I already took everything else off. So this is what got him in our collection. It's very much like 76, the racially ambiguous one. He's Teo for me. Anyway, this flip is very much like Teo's hair. I really like it. I just think it looks cooler, to be frank. So if you haven't gotten an up close look at him, not a fan of this outfit. The first thing he said when he got out of the box was, please change my outfit, ladies. Like, I look kind of dorky. I don't know who they're collaborating with, but I think somebody was like, it's a boy, so they can't match and they have to look like they don't care about their appearance. Because purple on the shoes, camouflage shorts, blue and orange on the shirt. We're probably gonna sell your clothes. We might keep the shoes. I hate it because it's so hard to come by boy clothes for them, and then they come out with these. Like, give us something good. Thank you for the Janie and Jack stuff, but give us something good. Yeah, I don't really have a lot to say. I said it'll be short. I just wanted to show you that we're excited to have this fella join our collection. I think he has a really sweet face. Definitely doesn't have the kind of derpy feel that the other, sorry if I'm offending anyone. He doesn't have that kind of dorky haircut that the other one had. Yeah, I think we're gonna call him Tobias. So if we hadn't picked a name, I would ask for name suggestions, but I think we settled on Tobias. He probably won't go by Toby. That's it. It's a short video, I told you. Let me know, do you like the boys? Do you think that American Girl should scrap them? Do you think that they should expand them? What do you want to see more of? Are you interested in this guy? Are you interested in 113? We will probably get 113 at some point. But yeah, I would love to know people's thoughts on the boy dolls in American Girls line.